In this video, I'll show you how to check Google Business Profile Insights in 2026. Insights help you understand how customers find your business, what actions they take, and how your profile is performing on Google Search and Google Maps. First, sign in to your Google account and open your Google Business Profile. Select the business you want to view if you manage multiple locations. From your business profile dashboard, click *** Performance ***. This section contains the latest insights about your business profile. Here you can see how many people viewed your profile, how customers found your business through Google Search or Google Maps, and which search terms they used. You can also check the number of website clicks, phone calls, direction requests, and message interactions if those features are enabled. Use the date filter to compare performance over different time periods. Reviewing these insights regularly helps you understand customer behavior and identify opportunities to improve your local visibility. If you notice fewer views or interactions, consider adding new photos, updating your business information, posting regular updates, and encouraging customers to leave reviews. That's how you check Google Business Profile Insights in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and watch our other Google Business Profile tutorials. Thanks for watching.